Looking for the best free AI video editors? We've got you covered. Welcome to a digital world where creativity meets technology. In this realm, video editing is not just an art, it's a powerful tool to communicate, narrate, and inspire. The right video editor can make all the difference, adding that extra sparkle to your storytelling and transforming your raw footage into a masterpiece. But what if you could have a partner in this creative journey? Enter the world of artificial intelligence. AI in video editing is like having a digital assistant, one that understands your vision, simplifies your tasks, and supercharges your editing process. It can help you with everything from cutting clips to adding effects to color grading and so much more. The best part? You don't have to break the bank to get your hands on this futuristic tech. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 free AI video editors that can transform your video editing experience. Starting our countdown at number 5 is Filmora, a popular choice among beginners and professionals alike. This video editing software has carved out a niche for itself in the highly competitive world of video editing, thanks to its features that cater to a wide spectrum of users. The first thing that strikes you about Filmora is its user-friendly interface. The layout is intuitive, making it easy for even the most novice of users to navigate through. The software doesn't require a steep learning curve, which means you can get started on your video editing journey without feeling overwhelmed. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Filmora is packed with a wide range of editing tools that could give some of the more advanced software a run for their money. From basic trimming and slicing to more complex tasks like keyframing and color grading, Filmora has got you covered. It also boasts a rich library of special effects, transitions, and templates, allowing your creativity to flow freely. What sets Filmora apart, however, is its AI-driven capabilities. The software leverages artificial intelligence to automate some of the more tedious aspects of video editing. For instance, its AI-powered scene detection feature can analyze your footage and identify different scenes automatically, saving you the time and effort of doing it manually. There's also an AI-driven music library that suggests background scores based on the mood and tone of your video. Whether you're creating a high-octane action sequence or a tender romantic scene, Filmora's AI is there to ensure the music perfectly complements your visuals. The software also supports 4K editing and has a powerful rendering engine that ensures your videos retain their quality, no matter how many effects or transitions you add. And if you ever find yourself stuck, Filmora's comprehensive online tutorials and active community forums are there to help you out, making the editing process a breeze. With its balance of simplicity and sophistication, Filmora is a solid starting point for anyone entering the video editing arena. It's a clear demonstration that you don't have to compromise on quality or functionality when choosing free AI video editors. Coming in at number 4, we have Lightworks, a powerful editor used in some of Hollywood's biggest productions. Now let's dive into what makes Lightworks a top-notch choice for video editing. Lightworks stands tall among its competitors with its professional-level tools, making it a powerhouse in the world of video editing. Imagine having access to the same tools that have been used in the production of major Hollywood blockbusters. Lightworks brings that capability right to your computer screen. From precise editing and trimming to multicam support, you'll find yourself wielding the tools of the pros with ease and efficiency. Don't be daunted by the thought of professional tools, though. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of video editing, Lightworks has got you covered. It offers a simple yet effective user interface that's easy to navigate, so you can focus on bringing your creative vision to life. Another remarkable feature of Lightworks is its impressive compatibility. Whether you're working on Windows, Mac, or Linux, Lightworks seamlessly integrates with your preferred platform. Plus, it supports a wide range of file formats, so you can work on your projects without worrying about file compatibility issues. Now let's talk about the star of the show, Lightworks' artificial intelligence features. The AI in Lightworks is designed to help you streamline your editing process by automating some of the more time-consuming tasks. For instance, it can auto-sync your audio and video files, saving you from the tedious task of manually aligning them. And let's not forget about its color grading AI, which can help you achieve that perfect cinematic look with just a few clicks. But that's not all. Lightworks also offers a free version of their software so you can try out these amazing features without spending a dime. And when you're ready to level up, you can opt for their affordable Pro version that comes with even more advanced tools. For those seeking a more professional touch, Lightworks brings the power of Hollywood to your fingertips. With its professional-grade tools, wide compatibility, and advanced AI features, Lightworks certainly deserves its spot in our top 5 list of free AI video editors. Securing the third spot, Shotcut is an open-source editor that combines versatility with AI technology. Now let's delve into what makes Shotcut stand out from the crowd of video editing tools. First off, Shotcut is renowned for its extensive format support. Whether you're dealing with MP4, MOV, or even the less common formats like MXF and M2T, Shotcut has got you covered. No need to worry about compatibility issues or converting your files before you start editing. Shotcut takes the hassle out of the equation, letting you focus on bringing your creative vision to life. But it's not just format support that makes Shotcut shine. It also boasts a highly customizable interface. Want your timeline on the right and your preview window on the left? No problem. Prefer your filters and effects to be front and center? You got it. With Shotcut, you can arrange your workspace exactly how you like it. This flexibility allows you to create a workflow that caters to your specific editing style. However, where Shotcut really excels is in its integration of AI-enhanced editing tools. These tools take some of the tediousness out of editing, automating tasks, and offering smart suggestions. Let's say you're editing a lengthy interview. Shotcut's AI can identify significant moments or keywords, helping you find the most important parts quickly. This not only saves you time, but also ensures you don't miss any crucial moments. And the best part? Despite all these advanced features, Shotcut remains user-friendly. It strikes a perfect balance, offering both simplicity for beginners and depth for more experienced editors. Whether you're just starting out or have been editing for years, Shotcut has something to offer. In conclusion, Shotcut is not just another video editor, it's a tool that understands the needs of its users, offering flexibility, extensive format support, and AI-enhanced tools. It's an editor that adapts to you rather than making you adapt to it. Shotcut is the perfect blend of customization and AI-assisted editing, making it a favorite among video editing enthusiasts. Just missing the top spot, at number 2 we have DaVinci Resolve, a professional-grade editor known for its advanced color correction capabilities. DaVinci Resolve is a name that reverberates through the world of video editing. It's not just an editor, it's a comprehensive suite of post-production tools that professionals across the globe swear by. One of the most notable features of DaVinci Resolve is its powerful color correction and grading tools. These tools, which have a reputation for being the industry standard, empower creators to bring their visual storytelling to the next level. But DaVinci Resolve isn't just about color, it's also about collaboration. The software provides a multi-user collaboration feature, allowing teams to work together seamlessly on the same project. This feature is a game-changer, breaking down barriers and making collaborative work more efficient and more streamlined than ever before. Now let's dive into one of the most exciting aspects of DaVinci Resolve, its artificial intelligence-driven editing functionalities. DaVinci Resolve employs machine learning to make your editing process smoother and more intuitive. It can automatically recognize and track objects and people in your footage, making tasks like rotoscoping and color grading much more manageable. But the AI doesn't stop there. It also assists in tasks such as speed warping, which allows you to slow down or speed up your footage smoothly. It can even help with facial recognition, making it easier to apply effects or corrections to specific individuals throughout your footage. And the best part? All of this advanced functionality is wrapped up in a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner dipping your toes into the world of video editing, DaVinci Resolve is designed to be as accessible as possible. In conclusion, DaVinci Resolve is a powerful tool that combines advanced video editing features with the efficiency of AI. Whether you're working on a feature film, a short clip, or anything in between, DaVinci Resolve has the tools to help you create stunning, professional-quality videos. Offering advanced functionality with AI ease, DaVinci Resolve is a must-have tool for serious video editors. And finally, at number 1 we have HitFilm Express, the undisputed champion of free AI video editors. This software is a powerhouse in the realm of video editing, boasting professional-grade visual effects that can transform your footage into a cinematic masterpiece. But it's not just about the eye-catching effects. HitFilm Express also excels in the realm of 3D compositing, allowing you to seamlessly integrate visual elements into your videos. This gives you the freedom to create truly immersive and visually stunning projects, all without spending a dime. What sets HitFilm Express apart, however, are its AI-powered editing tools. These intelligent features assist with everything from color grading to object removal, making the editing process not just easier, but also more precise and efficient. So, whether you're a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow or a beginner eager to dip your toes into the world of video editing, HitFilm Express offers a comprehensive suite of tools to meet your needs. With its range of high-end features and AI-powered simplicity, HitFilm Express is the best free AI video editor for creators of all levels.